Hi friends, welcome back to Carter Paints. I am so excited to bring this video to you today. I got this kit on Amazon and it's sadly named Bird, a very uninspired name for a very cute painting. Amazon, you can do better. If you like this painting, I will of course have it linked below, or if you want to search for it yourself, I'd search for Animated Bird Paint by Number Kit, and that should bring it up. Now, honestly, I have had this kit in my closet for a while, and I didn't think much about it, but I wanted to do something summer-inspired and thought this would be different. I can happily say I'm so glad I pulled this one out. I would easily place this kit in my top 3 favorites that I have ever done. I thought the colors were so bold and fun, and the image was adorable, and it was the perfect blend of detail and larger sections. It required very little cleanup, and every color just made the painting come that much more alive. I also noticed that this canvas was not heavily textured, so it made the paintbrush run smoothly and allowed for an ease of painting that I really enjoyed. I've mentioned this in previous videos. I don't know why some kits come with good paint and others with almost unusable paint. I do think the amount of time the paint sits has something to do with it, but this paint was overall pretty good. I had one pot that was sticky, like trying to paint with taffy. But of course, a quick hit of paint extender did the trick, and I was on my way. I didn't have trouble with any of the other colors. This painting also didn't take very long. I got it done in under 9 hours, and honestly, I enjoyed every second. This was a painting I looked forward to coming back to each day, and I was excited for it. I have definitely done paintings where it feels a bit more like a chore, and when I get to the final few colors, I get pretty sloppy in an attempt to just get it done. But not this one. I loved it. I definitely say this would be a good painting for someone who was just starting out, and certainly for a younger crowd. This would be a fun one to frame and hang on a wall in a kid's bedroom. Now, something I did a bit different than normal, I kept the inspiration image, typically a 3" by 3" bad printer quality image, out and referenced it often. It helped me know where the color I was about to paint was generally going to be. I think doing this really helped with limiting the cleanup phase. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. But my cleanup phase is a round that I do when I am down to my last 4-ish colors. I go back across the entire painting and touch up and color all the blocks that I missed previously. This ensures that the last 4 colors go down smooth and fast because they should be all that is left. Some paintings, like the Mother of Dragons or other highly detailed paints, have required a ton of cleanup. This being an easier painting and the use of the reference picture helped a lot. I am actually using the reference picture on the paint I am working on now, and it also is helping me catch sections I didn't see. So this may be a thing going forward. I am curious, when you are completing a paint by number, do you go color by color and complete as many of the sections of one color before moving on? Or do you like to take a section and paint that entire section before moving on to another? Comment down below, what is your paint strategy? Maybe in one of my videos, I will change it up and actually try painting section by section. We will see. Okay, coming up in my next video, I have pulled out a summer landscape that reminds me of my younger years, of camping out in the wilderness. It brings up a lot of nostalgia. I am happy to report there is 0 white, 0. It is fantastic. Well, as always, I want to let you enjoy the paint, so thank you so much for watching and engaging with this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I do love hearing from you. If you're not already subscribed, I'd really appreciate the support and I welcome you to the family. Again, there is another video coming your way very soon. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thank you, friends, and I hope wherever you are, morning or night, that you have had or are having a beautifully painted day. Bye.